welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up Bloxlink on Discord server. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is visit this website. Once you're here, just sign into your account using Discord. Now just tap on authorize. Click on that. Let's just wait for it to load. So now we're here, just go ahead and tap on your profile and then go to dashboard. After that, just tap on manage servers. And then just refresh this to make sure and to get smooth flow. After that, just tap on this server on where you want to add a bot. And after that, just tap on continue. And then continue with authorize. And that's it. It's already added to my server. So let's see. As you can see in here, there it is. And I hope you like this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!